Hello friends, welcome to the sixth session of Hybris tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss what are add-ons, how add-ons can be used in Hybris, and what is the difference between the extension and add-ons. And finally, we will learn how to create a new add-ons. We will discuss all these chapters, all these points in this video. So firstly, before we start, let me show you an example of add-on. So if I go to Google and if I try to open the wiki page, wiki Hybris page, you will see when this page gets loaded, on the bottom right corner there is a pop-up. So this pop-up is an add-on. So as you can see, this is an independent functionality which is integrated with this storefront page. So now you have some blur idea what is add-on. So add-on is basically a independent code which is integrated with storefront and which can be migrated or plugged into any other code as well. So you can see this is an independent functionality which can be plugged in with any other functionality as well. So this is an example of add-on. So if I need to write the definition of add-on, so the definition of add-on will be this one. So this is the definition of add-on. As you have now clear idea, add-ons are always integrated with storefront. So just keep in this mind, we rarely use add-ons with the backend logic. We mostly use the add-ons with the front-end logic. Also, add-ons have no impact in the code change for this core logic, this storefront logic, because add-ons are independent functionality. So these are only the key points. Add-ons are independent functionality. They don't have any impact with the change in the core code logic, right? Because they are pluggable codes, they are pluggable functionalities, they can be plugged into any other code as well easily. And the second important thing is add-ons are mostly used with the storefront codes, which means the front-end codes. They are rarely used with the backend code. And guys, this is the difference between the add-on and extensions. In our previous session we had discussed the extension. If you don't remember the concept, you can check our session 5. The video description is given in the description section of this video, as well as on the top right corner in the card section. So you can visit that video if you don't know about the extension. But this is the difference between the extension and add-on. Extension is aggressively integrated with the core logic of the Hybris. So whenever there is a migration in Hybris for the upper version, so always there needs to be some adjustment in the code logic of extension, because they will be using the complex API of platform code. But since add-ons are independent functionalities, there should be no change during even the Hybris migration. So now let's read the points of add-ons. So add-on, fully named as Hybris Commerce Accelerator Add-ons, extend the commerce accelerator without touching its code base, right? So it is extending the commerce accelerator. From a technical perspective, an add-on is a regular extension, but at build time its code base is copied inside target extensions to become a part of the extension itself. So I will be discussing these 2 points in this video. So firstly, add-on is also an extension. We have understood the difference between add-on and extension, but there is some similarity between add-on and extension as well, because add-on is also an extension. So I will be discussing this point, and also I will be discussing this point as well. I will be showing you practically how the code base of an add-on is copied into a target extension. So I will be discussing these 2 points in this video. Also, extensions are self-contained independent packages but add-ons are not. So we need to understand this point. Add-ons are never used independently. Like in this example, you can see this add-on was integrated into this code, right? So it cannot be used independently. I have never seen an example where an add-on was used independently. So it is always integrated with some code. And when I say integrated with code, it means we always copy the code base of an add-on into a target extension. Like in this example, so this is a target extension. This is some extension, storefront extension, storefront. In this extension, the code base of this add-on was copied. That is why now this is shown as integrated. When we say the code base of this add-on is copied into this target extension, we call it as installing the add-on into this extension, into this target extension. So I will be discussing this point in detail more. So now you are clear with the similarity and difference between extension. Extensions are independent body which are tightly coupled with the core code, and whenever there is a migration into Hybris higher version, we need to adjust the APIs written inside the extensions as well, because they are tightly coupled. If there is any change in the core logic of Hybris platform files, then we need to adjust the code logic written in the extension as well. But mostly there is no need to change the code logic or code in the add-on, because they are independent bodies. They are just clubbed into a extension, they are installed into a extension and are used. So during the build process, the system file copies from accelerator add-on folder to the web folder of the target extension. I will be showing you this point in this video. Add-ons allow you to extend storefront extension without having to modify the extensions directly. So now I will be firstly showing you how to quickly install an add-on. Only then after these points will be clear to you. So firstly, I will show you how to create a new add-on from the very beginning. So firstly, I will tell you how to create a new add-on, and once we create a new add-on, I will show you how to install that add-on with a target extension. So which means I will show you how to use an add-on. So I will show you now. So to create a new add-on, how I will be doing. So firstly, I will be going to my Hybris suite, which we had installed in our second session. If you don't know how to install this Hybris B2C accelerator, you can check my video in the description box as well as on the top right of this video. So I will be going on the Hybris, then we'll be going on the bin, and then we'll go on the platform folder. So over here I will open the command line. So now I am opening the command line, and to install a add-on and to install a extension, the command is same. So the command is, firstly I will be setting the aunt environment over here. So I have set the aunt environment. Now I will be firing the command ent-extgen. For this command I had discussed in detail in the previous session, in session 5. You can check that session. The link of this is given in the description box as well as on the top right corner in the card section. So I am firing this command. It will take some time, so let us wait for that to finish. Meanwhile, what I can show you in the code base so that the picture is clear to you. So I was talking about the extensions and had told you that the extensions are independent bodies. They are so you can see this is an extension, payment extension. So payment extension is an independent body. It contains the payment functionality, right? So likewise we can have other extension like promotion is or promotions. This is also extension. It contains the whole functionality of promotion, so this is also an independent body. And whenever there is a storefront extension, like I can show you, if I go to Hybris bin custom, and this was training. These are extensions which we created during our B2C accelerator installation in session 2. So you can see here we have storefront extensions. So add-ons are always integrated or installed on a storefront extension, which means front-end extension. So then firstly I will be creating a new add-on, and then I will show you how to install a newly created add-on with this storefront extension. So I will show you that. So let us see. So you can see I fired the command ent-extgen, and now it is asking me to choose a template. So guys, here comes the difference between an extension and add-on. So if it depends on the template which you choose. If you choose a template which is called as Y add-on, so this is the Y add-on template. If I choose this template and then create an extension, it ultimately becomes an add-on. But if I choose any other extension, say if I choose this extension, then it will be a normal extension. So you can see their add-ons are also an extension, but it is a special type of extension. So I am now choosing the add-on as template as Y add-on. So once I choose, it will ask me to give the name of this add-on which I will be newly creating. So guys, just keep in mind this add-on will get created over here. So I am giving the name as Hybris add-on test, right? So this is the, let us see if there is any existing. No, there is no existing add-on with this name. So I'm just firing this, and then it will ask me to give the name of package name. So I will be giving this package name de.hybris.training. Now I'm pressing enter. It will take some time, as I told. In the similar way like in the extension, firstly it used to copy the files of add-on to a temporary folder. You can see it has copied into a temporary folder. After that it will create a new add-on in the custom folder. So you can see now this add-on has been created. The date is 15th of January. Now it has been created. So now a new add-on has been created. So guys, I think now you are clear what is an add-on, how to create a new add-on. So add-ons are independent functionality which can never be used independently. It means they are always used with some storefront, but they are independent codes which can be plugged anywhere. They are not dependent on a particular source code. Like extensions are always tightly coupled with the core code logic of Hybris. Whenever there is a migration in the core code logic, extensions logic also needs to be adjusted according to the migration code. But this is not case with the add-on. So if I just show you the folder structure of Hybris add-on, so you can see this is the folder structure, and just keep this in mind. This is the one extra folder structure which comes with the add-on. So when I install this add-on, this accelerator add-on, this is the main thing. So this folder comes extra with an add-on. If I just show you one extension, plain extension, so this is a simple extension. So you can see this folder accelerator add-on is not present over here. So this is the difference in the folder structure or the skeleton of an plain extension and add-on. So I hope now you understand the difference between an extension and add-on, right? So guys, now there is a concept. So I have created a add-on, but how I will be using this add-on? So as I told, add-ons are never used independently. They are always plugged in or installed in a particular storefront. Like in this example, this add-on is integrated or installed with this storefront, right? This storefront. So how I can install an add-on with a storefront? We will learn this concept now. So what I will show you, so this is my add-on, right? So this is my add-on Hybris add-on test, and I will show you how to install this add-on with a storefront. Like this is my storefront, training storefront. So I will show you how to install our Hybris add-on with the training storefront. So for this, the first step is that you need to open your local extension.xml, and over here you need to map or need to give the name of your target extension, because this is a target extension, right? Here I need to install add-on. So this is training storefront is my target extension, and source add-on is this one which I want to install. So I need to give the entry of both source add-on as well as target extension in extension.xml. So I will be opening my local extension.xml. So I am opening this. Here I will give the entry of target extension and source add-on. And guys, just one more thing you need to keep in mind. If this extension is not added into the local extension.xml, you need to add this add-on support extension as well, because this is the extension which actually helps in copying the files from the source add-on to target extension, or helps in installing the add-on to a target storefront. So what I will do, I will just give the name of firstly add-on. So my add-on is this one, right? So I will just copy the name of this add-on and then we'll go to local. Firstly, I will try to search if it is already there or not. No, it is not there. Then I will add this over here. So like now I have added the entry of add-on, and I will be similarly giving the entry of target storefront extension. So this is my target storefront extension. So likewise I will be searching for this extension as well, if it is already present or not. Oh yes, it is already present. So this we added during our B2C accelerator setup. So now we have added these three entries: the target extension, the source add-on, and this add-on support extension. We need to add these three entries if I want to install an add-on on an extension. Okay, so after doing this, I need to fire one command to do this, and the command is, so guys, this is the command to install an add-on: and add-on install this is the command, and add-on install the add-on names, and here I need to give the name of the source add-on, and then you need to give the name of the target extension on which I need to install this add-on. So I will be simply firing this command into the platform folder. So I will firstly copy this and then I will fire this command. So before I fire this command, I want to show you few more points. So this is like my add-on, right? So in the add-on you can see this is the accelerator add-on. So this accelerator add-on folder structure will get copied, the src folder structure and webroot folder structure. So these will be copied into the storefront, where it will get copied, because now it is not copied right now. So once it is copied, then you can easily correlate these things which I am going to tell you now. So this is target extension on which I am installing this add-on, and the add-on files will get copied inside the web folder, and over here like this is add-on src folder. Over here my new add-on folder will get copied, right? So like my add-on name is Hybris add-on test, right? So this Hybris add-on test folder will get created here once I fire this command. Likewise, there is one more point where this file will get copied. Over here as well, a new folder will get created with the name of our add-on, Hybris add-on test. Okay, so just keep this in mind. And if I just show you the complete directory structure, which all files will get copied over here. So this is the complete structure. You can note it. So this on the left side, I have add-on. So add-ons, this folder structure, accelerator, add-on, webroot UI. This whatever the files present in this folder structure will get copied over here, like I showed you. And similarly, whatever the file structure present over here will get copied into this location. So all these things we will check once I install the add-on on this storefront. So for that I am firing this command, and then it will take some time. So I have fired this command, so it will take some time. So you will notice once I fire this command, it will not directly copy the files into the target extension. It will only do the entry in some files of the target extension. Like I am opening my target extension. So if I just go to training storefront, it will be doing the entry in this extension.info.xml. In this file, the entry of my add-on will get created, but when the folder structure will get copied, it will get copied after I do end clean all. So we will see all these things. So firstly, yeah, now it has copied. So now this command is successful, and as you can see, it has done the entry in extension info.xml in training storefront and add-on.less file, and in the class path of training storefront it has done the entry of our add-on, right? So if I just show you our extension info.xml of storefront, so this is extension info.xml, and as you can see, this add-on entry is there, right? So it means now the entries are present into the XML files or .less file or into the class path file. But if I just check into the folders where I had told you that the folder structure will get copied, you will see still the folder structure is not copied. There is no folder present with the name of Hybris add-on test. Likewise, over here as well, right, there is no folder with the name of Hybris add-on test. And then there is one more structure over the web add-on src. Yeah, over here we have already checked, right? So now what I will do, I will be just doing the end clean all, and after that we will see whether the files are copied or the add-ons is installed or not. So I am just firing the command end clean all. So guys, this is gonna take some time. It will take approximately 20 minutes to finish. So I have fired this command. So let us wait for this command to finish. After that I will show you whether the files are copied, I mean add-ons files are copied into the storefront or not. Guys, I am repeating the same words again and again because it is difficult for you to digest one line at a time. That is why I am repeating the lines again and again so that you can catch those lines which I am telling you. So guys, as you can see now, the build has been successful, which means the end clean all command has been successful now. So ideally now the add-on should be installed in my target extension. So just to reiterate you, just give me a minute. Let me open the local extension.xml. So just to reiterate you, so this was our Hybris add-on tests. This was the add-on I had created, and this is my target storefront, training storefront. So this is my target storefront. So ideally this add-on should be installed in this training storefront. So let us see if the files are copied into this training storefront extension or not. So I am in the bin custom folder, then I will go to the training folder, and here is my training storefront extension. And as I told, the files will get copied into the web folder. So inside this add-on src folder, our add-on, its name is Hybris add-on test. This should have been created. So let us see if Hybris add-on test is created inside or not. So you can see it is present over here. So all the files are now get copied into the into this folder, right? So it should be copied at other places as well. It should be copied in web root and in the UI folder over here as well. We should have a Hybris add-on test, and as you can see, this folder is present. So it means the add-on has been installed on the training storefront. So whatever the functionality is written into this add-on, so say if this add-on has this code written, this functionality written, this pop-up functionality written, and you can, for now suppose this is training storefront extension. So once I will up this training storefront extension by firing the command hybris server.bat, so automatically this add-on will also start showing up. So this is how add-ons work. They are always integrated with some extension, and as you can see, once I fire the command add-on install command, the files have been copied into the extension. So now you must clearly understand what is the difference between the extension and add-on. In the extension, during an extension installation, we never copied files into any other extension. Like I showed you one example in session 5, I installed this extension, right? I'm in cockpit extension, and then I showed you how I can access this extension independently. We access the cockpit, right? If you don't remember, you can check that video, the session 5 video, the last portion where I show you where I installed this extension, and then I showed you how we can access this extension. But to use add-ons are always used with some storefront extension. Remember, always use with some storefront extension, not with some backend extension. So here we use the training storefront extension, and in this extension now we have installed the add-ons. And once this extension will be brought up, this add-on functionality will also start showing up. So this is how we can use the add-ons. I think all concepts should be clear to you. To install an add-on into some extension, firstly we need some storefront extension, not any backend extension, and then we need to do 3 entries into the our local extension.xml. We need to add our target, our source add-on, our target extension where we need to install this add-on, And third one is we need to include this extension, add-on support extension. So these are the three things which we need to do to install an add-on. And one more thing, add-ons are also extension. It depends on the, so whether add-on is whether extension is an add-on or a simple extension, it all depends on the template which you use during the firing of command and extgen. So I think all concept should be clear to you, but there should be one thing which should be coming in your mind. Like now I have installed this add-on, right? This add-on has been installed on this training storefront. So is this permanently installed? Is there any way to uninstall this? Is it possible? So answer is yes, it is possible to uninstall an add-on. So when I will uninstall an add-on, so this folder will automatically get removed. So likewise over here as well, this Hybris add-on test folder will also get removed automatically. So now the question arises how to do that, how to uninstall an add-on. So for that we have a command, and the command is very simple. So you can see this was a command, right, we used to install an add-on. So similarly, if I just write uninstall, so it will just uninstall this add-on. So again, the thing necessary for uninstalling an add-on is the source add-on, this add-on, and the target extension mapping should be present in local extension.xml. Otherwise this command will throw error. But for now, these source add-on and target extension is present in our local extension.xml. So I will be simply firing this command to uninstall this add-on from the training storefront. So I'm firing this command, and as you can see, the execution has been started, but it will take some time. So let us see, let us wait for this. So as you can see, now the uninstallation has been completed, and as you can see now in the extension.xml of training storefront, this entry has been removed. So let us check if this entry has been removed or not. So if I will just refresh this URL. If you can see, I have refreshed this, but still this folder is present. So why it is still present? Because after I do end clean all, only then this folder will get removed. Like this folder was created only after I did end clean all. So in the similar way, when I do end clean all, only then this folder will get removed. But for now, we can check whether in the extension.xml this file, this Hybris add-on test entry has been removed or not. So let us check. You can see now this entry, Hybris add-on test entry, has been removed from this extension.xml of training storefront folder, right? So it is not there. So now you should be clear how to uninstall an add-on. So just to remove these folders, Hybris add-on test, what I will do, I will fire the command and clean all again one more time, and then when this execution will finished, I will show you that these folders will get removed automatically. So guys, this is how to install an add-on and how to uninstall an add-on in a training storefront. I have given you the complete overview. Only thing left is I am firing the command and clean all, and after that I will show you this folder has been removed. So let us wait for this command to get finished. So it will take approximately again 15 to 20 minutes. Let's wait for that.
So guys, now you can see and clean all command has been finished successfully. So after this, now we will see whether the uninstall of add-on is finished or not. So I will just go to the training storefront, and over here previously, if you remember, during the installation we had a new folder of our add-on which was Hybris add-on test. Let's see if it is there or not. You can see it is not there right now. So it means the uninstallation of add-on is completed. So guys, this is the way how we can unplug an add-on from an existing storefront extension. So this is all about the add-ons, guys. So I have told you in this video, is add-on an extension? Yes, add-on is also an extension, but it is special part of extension. There are some difference between the skeleton of add-on and the functioning of the add-on. Like in the add-ons, we have a separate folder, accelerator add-on, which is not present in other extensions as well. But there are few differences as well. So differences are like extensions are used independently, like the payment extension which I showed you. This extension can be used independently. This has a complete functionality, but add-ons are always used with some extension. So if I need to use an add-on, it cannot be used independently. It needs to be used with some storefront extension. Like this is an add-on, it is used with this storefront extension. So add-ons cannot be used independently, but they are not dependent on the source code. They are not tightly coupled with the source code. Whenever there is a Hybris migration to higher version, it is very rare scenario that you need to do any changes in the add-on file structure, because these are independent modules functionalities. But in the extension, during the Hybris migration up to updated version, we need to adjust the APIs according to the migrated version of Hybris core files. So these all are the differences between extension and add-on. And then I told you how to install an add-on in a training storefront. How to do that? For that I gave you one command. So like this is a command to install an add-on. So this is a command to install an add-on, and then I told how to uninstall an add-on from a training storefront. So this is a command to uninstall add-on from a training storefront. So now if you read these lines, so it will be very clear for you. So if you say, from a technical perspective, an add-on is a regular extension, but at build time its code base is copied inside to target extension to become a part of extension itself. Like we show when we give an entry into local extension.xml, and when we did add-on install command, and after that when we did end clean all, files got copied into the target storefront. So extensions are self-contained independent package, add-ons are not, right? So extensions can be used independently, but add-ons cannot be. In general terms, an extension is the larger unit. You can use add-ons to enhance functionality in extension, but not vice versa, right? During the build process, the system file copies from accelerator add-on folder to the web folder of target extension. I show you the accelerator add-on folder in an add-on gets copied to the target storefront extension. Add-on allow you to extend storefront extensions without having to modify the extension directly. We saw we didn't do any changes in the training storefront extension. We just copied the file through a command, and whenever we had to uninstall that add-on, we had a command to remove those files from an extension. Add-on extensions are similar to regular extension, but they allow you to add front-end related items such as JSP files, CSS files and images without requiring you to build the platform. You can also new add Java code to the target extension, but that requires building the platform. The front-end items are stored in accelerator add-on folder of an add-on. So I hope this is self-explanatory lines. The structure within the accelerator add-on folder mirrors the folder structure within the web folder, which contains the front-end component of a regular extension. And this was a command to install an add-on. If I just show you, so this was a command to install an add-on. If I want to uninstall an add-on, I need to use this command. So guys, I hope now all concepts related to extensions and add-ons should be clear to you. In case you have any queries, please ask your question in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you liked this video, please do share this video with your friends as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.